Hello, my dear awesome family. Welcome back to our channel Vinish Tech Universe. This is your tech lover Vinish. In this video, I am going to discuss about Deloitte new hiring. It is a phase 2 hiring of NLA, National Level Assessment of Gateway 2. So the registration page is currently in live. So please do apply as soon as possible. I'll discuss everything about registration, exam pattern, and syllabus, and also I'll tell you like what kind of resume and how to create the resume and how to format your resume as per the job description for this selections. I don't want to miss out this update, and I don't want anybody to get fail in this update, I mean rejections also. So I want everybody to get success and everybody to get placed in the Deloitte company. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So before getting into the video, I'm every time I'm telling the same thing, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So your subscription and your support is very worth to me to grow in my in the future journey with my channel. So please do support. So first of all, I'll discuss about this registration process. So first, going into the registration process, you can see there is a five stages in the registration process. First one is registration, shortlisting, online assessment, online interview, and later upon you'll get the final result. And it is open for all degrees, so all degrees are eligible to apply. So first of all, I'll discuss about engineering degree. Uh, so that this engineering degree, it is they are giving eligibility to BE, BTECH, ME, MTECH, MCS in only CS, IT, and circuital branches like EC and EEE. So they are also eligible, not for mechanical and civil people. So even BCA, BCOM people also are eligible. I'll show the page also, and I will attach all these links in the description as well individually. So you can see like here BSc, BCA in IT, cybersecurity, CSC department also eligible. And one more thing I'll show here. So it is eligible for BBA and BBM, BCOM, BMS, and BFS branches also eligible to apply. So please do apply as soon as possible, because the page is currently live now. So you'll get the reply as soon as possible. And so first of all, we'll get into the registration process. So this is the registration form. So first of all, you have to fill the captcha here down below, and after that click on next. So here there is a consent form, so please click on I agree and I agree here and here itself. And first of all, give your first name. If you have middle name, so just give, or else you can leave it blank. And fill last name also. So don't give your first name preferred, it is not necessary. And please don't do mistakes in giving email address, because you will get the all notifications and updates to that email only. So please give the email address correctly. If you might enter the email address wrong, so then there is another option like giving alternate email address. So might be you having two to three email address on your same mobile number, so please give the second email address also. And coming to mobile number also, you just give your your currently using mobile number, your WhatsApp and email linked um, mobile number. Please enter that one, and also you can give alternate mobile number also. And enter your date of birth correctly, as per your Aadhaar card and your marks memos or any education sheets. And also mention your gender correctly, and give your current address, your address, pin code, city, state and country. And also you have to give your education like 10th, enter and BTECH as well. So you can check, so you can find, so please you can find the undergraduate option here. So select the undergraduate option. So after selecting the undergraduate option, you can select your degree, college, branch and year of passing, your current CGPA or your like percentage. You can give both as if you want. And you can add next one also. So like you can give your 10th and enter education details also. After click by giving the details here, it will open. So until that, it won't open to apply for that. So and also give your current registration, university registration number, that means your roll number, and if you have any gap in education, so please mention here. And if you have any backlogs and standard areas, so please mention. And have you appeared an assessment interview with Deloitte in 6 months? If you have appeared, then give yes or no. So if you have appeared, you won't get any mails so from the Deloitte, and you are not able to participate in the drive also. And do you have any other offer in hand? If you have, please opt for this or else no. Are you open to internships? So if your college is open to do the internships in the time of your final 6 months, so please click on yes. Instead of doing project, you can do the internship and submit your documentation in the college as well. And if you are an Indian citizen, click on yes. And do you have any existing offer from Deloitte? So if in past, Deloitte has announced few more hiring opportunities like NLA one, and so few more opportunities also happen. So if you got selected in Deloitte, so please give yes. And like if you are like had Deloitte has announced the hiring opportunity with Hashdin Technologies also. So if you have selected in that Hashdin also, so please give yes. And do you have any work experience? If you have experience, so please give us. Do not include any internships. So are you a former employee at Deloitte? So as usually you're not a former employee, so then you don't not no need to give S. So please give no. And if you have done any professional certifications like in Oracle or else Microsoft, Azure, AWS, or any service now cloud, so please give your certification details. And if you have any other kind of certifications also, please you can submit here. And so this is very important thing in entire registration form, that is faculty in charge of placements. If you are in college, so you have a TPC department, right? Training and placement cell department. So there is one head is there for the TPC. So please give the head TPC head name, your TPC name, email ID, and contact number. Please get those details from your college TPC and your or else your admin department. So they will provide the details and enter the details here. It is a very important and very mandatory thing. And you have to attach your updated and recent passport size photo. So you just give the photo also. And also resume is very much important. So before going to submit your resume, I'll show you one template of resume. So like if you want to apply directly, so please go through the resume, and please make it uh, as usually, like as I mention in the description also. I'll mention the description, so please go through it and make changes in the resume. And so you can see this is a resume format. So you can play this is a overleaf resume template. So you can make the changes by editing with the code. I'll show the code also, just a second. So in left side you can find the code itself. So you can make changes. You don't need to put more efforts to make changes. So you can just replace the text whatever you can find this with your details. So you can simply change the details. You need not to be change the template. I mean, this template also, this template is also looking good. So don't change this template. If you want to change the layout of the your name and your profession, so then you can place in the middle. And you can in the bottom you can place your mail, LinkedIn account, or GitHub account. So you can make the changes as per that one also. If you ask ChatGPT also, it will give you. So in no need to worry about that. If you want to make like how to prepare our leaf resume, then it is a ATS format resume. So if please do comment, I will definitely make a video on that. So first of all, we can see about like what are there in the resume. So first of all, you have to give your name, your graduation or your profession, and your mail address, your phone number, and LinkedIn. If you have a GitHub or any code chef or lead code account also, you can give. And particularly you should give, mainly you should mention three things in a resume rather than name, like apart from name. So first of all, you have to give your education, your internships and projects. These are very 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 much important things. So you should give these three things must and should in your resume. Please keep those in your resume. Then definitely your profile get high. You have a high chance of getting shortlisted. So first of all, you have to give your recent education. You have to start with your recent education and past education. So please first of all give your BTECH and your intermediate and 10th, your board, institute, and year and CGPA. So this resume template is very good to make changes. So you need not to put more efforts to make changes in the resume also. So later upon you have to give your experience. Work experience means you have to give your internship experience. So far you have done some kind of internships, right? In some external sorry some industrial internships might be you have completed. So please give those kind of internship details also. I think you guys are in final year, right? So that may 100% all of them has completed one internship, one internship. So please give that internship details. And also must and should you have to give your projects. If you submit the project means then it will your resume might get more credits and more strength to get selected easily. So please give mention any kind of projects if you have done in past of three years. And please mention your timeline also. Don't forget to mention timeline while giving your projects in even in your education also. Please give the timeline. It is very important. And it will let them know like what in which period you have done, and what is it continuous process, or is there any kind of gaps are there in your education. So please give your timeline also. And if you have any responsibilities, extracurricular activities, you can mention, or else it's not mandatory. And as I said before, like extracurricular activities also, it is not a mandatory thing. If you have pursued, or if you have completed any certifications or certificates, please mention instead of giving position or responsibility and extracurricular activities. So you can mention your coding ranks or coding profile, like how many codes you have done so far. So if you have those kind of coding strengths, coding profile, so please mention here. And at last, final, it is the final thing, very important thing. So technical skills. So please mention your exact and known technical skills. So don't need to try to apply without, if you have no knowledge on the kind of skills we have. If you don't have any knowledge on Java or JavaScript, so uh, don't give those skills. If you have minimum basic skills or fundamental skills on this kind of programming language or any kind of technical technologies, so please mention those. So don't try to apply, don't try to give the skills you don't, if you have no idea on that. So please give those skills also. So in this way you can build your resume, so the template is also might looking good. And so these resumes got shortlisted very easily, and these are very friendly resumes, like say ATS friendly resumes. So even ATS also scan easily, and you will get more ATS percentage. If you make this kind of resumes means, then your resume might get shortlisted more, instead of others. Your resume get stand out of others. So please prepare these kind of resumes, and don't highlight with any different colors, and don't need to give your photos also. Some companies might ask photos, some companies doesn't need to ask photos. Even Deloitte also not ask photos. So you can directly apply with this resume. So please make changes. I'll paste this resume in the description. And let's get into the syllabus pattern. So I covered registration and like resume. So now I am discuss with the exam pattern. So it's coming to exam pattern. So it is totally 90 minutes. 90 minutes exam pattern. It is 90 duration of exam is 90 minutes. And the number of questions are 67. And total 4 sections are there. So first section is verbal ability. I'll discuss the syllabus pattern also, no need to worry. And second one is quantitative ability. So I can simply write quants. So and the next one is technical MCQs. And the fourth, in quants, it will there is one more section. So these are these are like you'll get the questions in the combination of quants and reasoning also. So there is no different kind of section. So it is mixed with that quant section only. And last section is coding. So total I said it is 67 questions, right? So for verbal ability, you will get nearly 13 questions. 13 questions of verbal ability. 13 means 10 are MCQs, and 3 are fill in the blanks. Sorry. And coming to quants and reasoning, so you'll get nearly 20 questions. And technical MCQ, probably you'll get 30 questions, and two coding questions are there. Coding questions are two. And the topics that I would like to suggest for coding are mm, mainly just focus on arrays, sortings, little DSA stuff, and mainly strings and numbers. So these are very important topics. So mainly Deloitte always concentrate on these kind of topics only. You will get two. I said two questions, right? One question is simple, and one question is medium to hard. You should definitely submit two coding questions. So there is no excuse of doing one question. If you done all the questions correct, and if you complete only one coding, means you won't get the shortlisting mail. So please do two coding questions. It is must. So you should definitely complete two coding questions. Two coding questions you should complete. And this is a, pattern of the exam. So during 90 minutes you won't get any time deviation. So I think for coding questions you will get time break of 5 minutes. It's not, I'm not accurate with the timing, so it may be 3 to 5 minutes you'll get time break. So after that you can start. So this is the exam pattern for the Deloitte. So coming to syllabus, I will show you what kind of topics you have to prepare for the exam. So as I said before, like shortlisting, online assessment, interview, final result, these are the total 5 are there. So the one round is application one, and so these are the 4 sections as I discussed earlier. So those are four sections, 67 questions, 90 minutes. There is no negative mark, and test type is adaptive. And so see here are the syllabus topics. So LCM, HCF, divisibility, number series, and time work, pipes and systems averages. These are very important topics for quantitative aptitude. Total 22 questions here. Like I said, 20 questions. So probably 20 to 22 questions. These are the mixing of both quants and aptitude. Sorry, quants and reasoning. So next is verbal ability. So in verbal ability, they mainly focus on vocabulary and grammar, reading comprehension. So these are the questions you should mainly focus on. And so there is no version test for this hiring. Might be if it if it has, then they'll consider for next round. So for first round there is no version test. So be prepared for the version test also. So technical MCQs means fundamental computer fundamentals, CSI like DBMS. So I'll mention those questions also. So technical MCQs means they'll give you just a second. Technical MCQ topics, mainly they focus on pseudocodes. uh, you'll see a little bit of pseudocode stuff also, pseudocodes. And mainly they'll focus on DBMS, and mainly they'll ask you theoretical questions, not practical, not coding questions. So pseudocodes also might very easy. DBMS questions, and OS operating systems, and CN computer networks. So mainly on these stuff only they're considered for questions. The questions are easy to moderate. So need not to be worried about the questions. So these are very easy only. Even the aptitude questions also very easy. So you should concentrate on coding must. So coding questions are might not tough, not might easy. So medium level. So yeah, I have discussed about like testing, computer science, networking, cloud computing. So these kind of questions will be asked in the technical MCQs. So coming to coding, so you can write the coding C, C++, Java, Python. whatever it might be, whatever you are interested or whatever you are good at. So please write in the code in that language. Number of questions are 2. Time allotted nearly takes around 35 minutes, so they'll give you the time 30 to 35 minutes only, so you should complete in the time frame. So this is all about the syllabus about the Deloitte hiring. So many of the candidates got selected in the NLA 1, NLA assessment gateway 1. So this is a phase 2. I hope all of you get shortlisted in this level 2, in this gateway 2. So I wish you all very good luck, and thank you for watching this video till this end. And if you watch this video till this end, uh, you'll get all the points, you'll get all the points get cleared. If you have any more doubts, please don't hesitate to do comments, or else if you want to talk to me, then I'll display my call me so you can call me directly also. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.